The question says, use derivatives to explain why the function g of x, which is equal to 2x minus cos of x times sine of x, is always increasing. Okay, so I need to know how derivatives and increasing are related. If the derivative is positive, that means it's increasing. So if it's a positive on a whole region, it's increasing on that region. So if I can show it's positive everywhere, then it would be increasing everywhere as well. So I'll need to find the derivative. Okay, so let's see, g dashed of x, the 2x would just become a 2. And then, oh, that's multiplied, so I have to use the product rule. So I'll differentiate that, which would be minus sine of x, and I'll keep that one. And then I'll keep that one. I'll differentiate that, which would be cos of x. Okay. And then that would be 2 minus, let me put the positive one first, cos of x squared minus sine of x squared. Actually, there's a trig identity that goes with that. Cos squared plus sine squared is 1, and cos squared minus sine squared is cos of 2x. Okay, so that's the derivative. Okay, so I had to somehow show this is always positive. Well, cos of anything is always between plus and minus 1. So if I take off something that is less than 1, it starts with 2, take off something less than 1, it can't get any lower than 1. Okay, so this derivative is always at least 1, which means it's positive. I need to write that reasoning down in a way that makes sense on paper. How about I say for any x, cos of 2x is between minus 1 and 1. And then I actually need a minus cos of 2x, so I'll go minus everything. But when you minus things, it switches the inequality signs the other way. And then I'll add 2 to everything. And 2 minus 1 is 1. And so that's what g dashed x of it is. Okay, so then I can say that therefore g dashed x is greater than or equal to 1, which is greater than 0. And so therefore g dashed x is positive for any x, and therefore g is increasing. Okay, cool. Wouldn't mind having a quick look at that graph just to be sure. I'm going to ask my computer what that graph looks like. So this is GeoGebra, and I'm just going to write g of x equals 2x minus cos x sine x. Okay, yeah, that's definitely always increasing. It has several places where it's concave up versus concave down, but it's definitely always going up. Okay, I believe it.